Hello there, I'm Yvonne de Celis, and I'm coming to you today on YDCtv. It is Thursday, it's July 11th, and it's about 1 p.m., and I'm just here to do an exercise that I neglected to do on Monday this week. I did a video about how to crisscross your energies into this position as opposed to this. I believe this is homolateral, so you need your energies to crisscross. It's kind of like a DNA strand. That's how your energies are supposed to be flowing. They're supposed to be going crisscross across like this. Before I get going on that, just a quick couple of things to get our energies going in the right direction. A few thumps. The 3 thumps, actually, which is part of Donna Eden's 10-minute daily feel-good exercise routine. First one is you want to thump your cheekbones. I'm just using my index finger and my middle finger, and I'm just tapping. And you go from your cheekbones to your K27 points, which is here. And the way you get to your K27 or find your K27 points is by tracing your collarbone. So you start at the back, go to the front where they almost meet, the 2 points, and then just drop your fingers down and out a little bit, and you should feel 2 little soft spots. Most people have soft spots at this point. And by the way, this is a microphone, and I'm sorry if my finger is bonking against it. Because of the multiple sclerosis, I can't really feel anything with this hand, so sometimes I have to find them with one hand, which I can do with my thumb and my index finger, and then I just massage very, very aggressively massage. In other words, I dig. So you can actually massage or you can tap. That will get energies going in the right direction. That brings energy up, but it also gets your energies moving the right way. So thumps here, thumps on the K27 points, and then the thymus. Or as some people like to do, the Tarzan tap, which I'm trying not to do because, again, trying not to bonk that microphone, but that's another spot to tap. So that should start to get energies going the right way. And I'm going to have this video give a link to the video prior to it, the one that I did about how to crisscross your energies. But this is now the cross crawl. I'm going to show you how to do this standing. I'm also going to show you how to do it seated, but you can also do this lying down. If you can move your legs, you can do this lying on your back. So I'm going to show you how to do this standing, and I apologize in advance. I'm wearing black pants. It's going to be kind of hard to see exactly what I'm doing here. I'm going to try to back up as far as I can, but what you're doing is an exaggerated march. So you're bringing your hand to your knees, so opposite sides. So again, we're doing crisscross, so standing, again, opposite sides. Breathing in and out if you can. Breathe in through your nose. When you breathe in, your tongue should touch the roof of your mouth, so tongue touching the roof of the mouth, and then when you breathe out, let your tongue drop and let the breath come out through your mouth, if possible. If you can't do that comfortably, breathe however is comfortable for you, but it is most beneficial when doing these exercises if you are able to breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. So just showing you how to do this seated, trying to back up as much as I can. I can't go back very far, unfortunately, but again, you can do this exercise lying down, sitting down, or standing. It's totally up to you, but again, it's just exaggerated marching. So you're bringing your right hand to your left knee and left hand to left knee. Sorry, left hand to right knee. I can't even think straight as I'm doing this. Sorry about that, guys. But again, this is just showing your energies which way they should be going. This may seem like a silly exercise, but it is very, very effective. I hope it is helpful for you. You'll probably feel a temperature and or a pressure shift as you're doing this. That's a good thing. It means it's working, and it means that your energies are being redirected and that they're now going the right way. So once again, that exercise was called the cross crawl. It's part of Donna Eden's daily 10-minute feel-good exercise routine. I hope you like it. Please let me know in the comments down below, and also let me know in the comments below if you have requests for future energy medicine exercises you'd like to see on this channel. I shall be back in a few days or in a week, and I will put new videos up for you. So just let me know once again down below if you have any requests, and also please subscribe to my channel if you would like more info. Basically, what subscribing means is that YouTube will send you occasional notifications when I make changes to my channel. If you want constant notifications, once you click subscribe, you will see a bell icon show up right next to the word. If you click the bell icon, you will get constant notifications, which may actually be a pain, but you can turn that off individually per channel once you do that. Again, thank you so much for your time. Namaste, peace and light, and I hope to see you again soon. Be as well as possible. Thank you again for your time. Cheers. Bye-bye.